Hello people and welcome back to Maxi channel, a channel in which we feature some of the most epic moments ever caught on bikers camera. Today's episode is full of moments like that and we hope you'll enjoy watching it. Sit back, relax and let us embark on this crazy adventure. Biker came to a complete stop and he flashed the van driver to pull out of his parking space because he was already starting to move. Another driver had an issue with that and he waved his finger at the biker. But boy oh boy was that a poor decision. Check out what happened after that.
You waving your finger at it? The van was reversing. You started waving your finger at me because I stopped to let him out.
Start waving your finger at me. You were looking at the car behind you.
Coming up next to me, I was like, that's stupid.
Looking up the car next to you were looking at the car behind you and you were driving. You were still moving forward.
I stopped. I only moved forwards because the van was reversing. I'll let you finish. It's all on camera. So
you were still in motion and you were looking at the
I'd actually stopped, but I had stopped because I flashed the van. I flashed the van.
I beg to differ. You were actually still in motion and you're looking at and you're dressing it.
Did you know how that car went past you just as you were coming up? They also went around me.
You were still
I was not still in motion. Why would they go around me then?
You were still in motion and you were addressing the car behind you. That's what I had a problem with. Right? You can film it all you want because that's fact. You're addressing the car behind you, you're still in motion.
Do you know what I say to the van? I stopped. I stopped. No, I wasn't big to danger to you. Listen, the car went around me, which was ridiculously stupid because I was flashing somebody out. That is dangerous, pulling into another lane into oncoming traffic because I was stopping to let somebody else out. I can't hear what you're saying. 2 seconds, 2 seconds. Right.
See anything that you're putting online, by the way? You know you obviously use.
It's 100% legal. It is, because you know what? It's a YouTube channel. You're absolutely wrong. Anything filmed in the public eye is absolutely fine to be posted.
If there's anything defamatory actually about myself, then it can be taken further.
You fire on, mate. You fire on.
Biker in front got cut off by a driver who was careless and he didn't pay attention. But instead of causing commotion, check out how these guys handled the situation. Every situation should be handled like this.
Come on, man. That's fine. That's fine. Don't worry about it. Just. Hey, don't worry about it, man. Hey, it's fine. Just watch out next time. Thank you.
This biker got cut off by a lady in a blue vehicle, and at the next traffic lights, he made sure to let her know. Check out how it looked like.
You're an idiot! You're a I got you on camera! Yeah, I got yourself!
Biker found himself where he wasn't supposed to be, and soon after he got to ride on these beautiful fields, a park ranger showed up, and this is what happened.
Here we go.
You're in trouble.
I'm in trouble.
Someone's come along to burst your bubble.
What have I done?
It's no off-roading, mate.
Oh.
I'm sorry, mate. Technically I should ring 101 and report you, but I'm not going to because I can't be asked with paperwork.
You're a gentleman.
No worries.
We won't do it again.
No, that's alright, mate.
I did do it
Because the
first
police
time.
can legally crush and seize your bike
Okay.
under section 59 of the Police Reform Act. No worries.
Well, we're sorry about that. We just
That's alright.
come up for a bit of fun, didn't realise. I come up here all the time, so.
I don't blame you, mate. Hondas are still better than Suzuki. Oh. Sorry, that was my big red Honda.
Ah. I used to have a Honda, so I bet mine's louder though.
Oh yeah.
Bet mine's quicker.
But you're the one that gets the noise complaints, not me.
Do you know what? My neighbours quite like it. I think.
Two minors were wheeling around the block, and the older bikers didn't like it at all. They stopped these boys and it came to a heated road rage argument. Lots of things being said, and even the keys taken away from one of the bikers.
The public love it! The public love it!
Yo!
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
What are you taking, man? Gee, get off your shit, fam. What are you doing?
You're on camera! You're on camera! You're on camera, mate!
Get your
You're
bike.
done!
Oi,
You're
hey,
done! You're
oi,
getting
oi,
sued!
Get your bike and go.
Yeah, we're good.
Oh, shut the f up, bro. What are you throwing this shit about?
Get on your bike.
What's he doing?
We literally were though, and he started grabbing him.
You're on camera!
Don't give a shit.
Yes, he's on camera. Everybody just calm down.
Take the
Don't
piss,
do
bro.
that. Don't do that.
Excuse me, you shouldn't have been wheeling.
You ain't harming no one.
You shouldn't have been wheeling. It's
We're not
against the
wheeling.
law. Yes, you
What?
are. It's on camera, remember?
Yeah, it is on camera.
Yeah, you were
You're
wheeling.
Gee, he come off the floor like that. That ain't no wheelie.
Right.
The police will be called.
Man said, come on.
The police will be called.
Bring it for you, shall I? Go on then.
Bring him. Bring him.
Yo, what are you doing, bro?
No.
What are you doing?
Take your man's keys.
Take your keys and you're going to walk it up there because you're going to be looking.
Give
my keys. We'll go. Give me my keys.
For some odd reason, this crazy Karen started to purposely swerve into the biker. Of course, he didn't like it, and boy oh boy did he retaliate. Check it out. Being honest and respectful can go a long way, especially with cops. This biker generally had a bad day, or rather a bad week. He got pulled over for stunting. Check out what happened.
Hello, sir.
Hi, license, registration, insurance, please.
Yep. It's in the...
Yep, go ahead. You know why I'm stopping you? You don't?
I do.
Okay. Stunting, right?
It's just stupid.
Yeah, you shouldn't be stunting. You seem reasonable. Probably made a bad decision. Sounds like 2 bad decisions.
Too bad. That's a bad week. I got denied my mortgage for a house. I was just...
Fair enough.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
You know what? We all have bad days, I'll give you that. But I just don't want to see it getting someone hurt or someone killed. Especially on this. And I'm sure maybe you think you're in control, but we see it all. And I'm not telling you this by just as stories, but we do more often than not see these highlights come on our screen, on our computers, where someone died of a, motorcycle collision because of bad decisions. I don't want that to be. I don't want to scrape you off the floor with a shovel.
Totally hear you, sir. I see it every day. I know. But
okay.
It's just stupid of me.
You've been respectful. This might have been different if you were...
No, I know it's my fault.
But you've been very respectful, and just give me a warning today. Carry on.
Thank
Do
you,
it
sir.
safer, please.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
Thank you.
Have a good night.
You too.
It's always hard for bikers to resist when the space opens up. Unfortunately, this biker didn't notice a cop as he sped up, and he got pulled over because of it. Luckily, he ran into a cool cop that only gave him a warning and a pep talk.
Ripping around, man. A little reckless, right?
I got stuck over there and I was trying to come over here because...
I know it's annoying, and when that space opens up, you want to give her, but there's so much traffic here, someone's going to zip out and you're going to end up dying young, like on your helmet there, right?
If you own a bike, we never recommend you to ride out without your plates. If you do, well, it's at your own expense.
Oh dear.
Just warning today. Okay.
I appreciate it, sir.
Yeah, no, I appreciate you stopping. A lot of the times when we see a bike and it's speeding, throw the lights, they're gone. They just kick off. So
what would you rate this thing? You think I'd have a chance?
Yeah. Right. I'm not saying take off on us, right? Because
it's tempting.
This crazy driver didn't check his mirrors as he changed lanes, and as a result, he grazed the biker. Luckily, the biker managed to regain control in his bike, but it could have ended really bad. There are definitely not a lot of freestylers out there with skills such as this guy here. Hopefully, you'll enjoy this mini show. it's not your usual sight to see a bus driver on the phone. They're supposed to be professionals, and it's kinda sad and disappointing at the same time to see scenes like this.
No! Put down the phone! You're a bus driver! You're on camera! So
Maneuver by the driver in a blue car was completely insane, and when the biker pulled up next to him to have a few words, all hell broke loose. Check it out.
Are you insane? Mate, you just did a U-turn on a bend. You just did a U-turn on a bend. It's got nothing to do with getting brave. That's insane. People coming this way can't see you. That's nothing to do with having a dash cam, mate. It's got nothing to do with that. I'm just pointing out that was silly. I'm not having a go at you, am I? Am I getting nasty? I don't give a shit. Oh, okay, fine. Does it look like I'm bothering? Right, no. It looks like you're getting... It looks like you're getting mad because I called you out. Yeah, alright.
When you don't expect a cop to be nearby, but oh god, here he is. Luckily, the biker didn't get pulled over. This driver took the meaning of the saying, "Take yourselves at home," too literal. When life gets too much, you take a spin around the block.
What's going on, guy? Come on! You doing? You trying to die, man? Like, come on! What the hell?
This biker was just riding around and minding his own business, when all of a sudden, he noticed a drunk guy throwing a can out of his window. No, no, sir, we can't do that.
Por que, cuzão? Então não pode, mano. Você cata nem nós aí. É, então. Demorou? É nóis, irmão.
Falou, bichão. Vai com Deus.
É nóis.
E a câmera aí filmando ele, tá vendo?
Tá filmando. Filma tudo. Ó, quase pegou no cara, hein?
Isso aí, é. I mean, that's maybe gonna make it.
Try that. Try that.
Yeah.
Get it.
Wow. Caveman smash. Wow.
Let's get it out of the road.
With this clip, we come to the end of yet another episode of Maxi channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this one as well, and maybe you even learned a thing or two on how to behave in certain situations in traffic. If you truly support my work, don't hesitate to leave a like and hit the subscribe button, because it really helps a lot. Until the next episode, eyes wide open and take care.